Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup routine as it was requested by you guys, and if you've never seen my face before, hello, my name is Katherine Christian and I would love it for you guys to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below at the end of this video or right up here, and let's just get right on into the video. So to start off my makeup routine, I always moisturize my face first. It's normally after I wash my face, so I would do this either way. I'm using the Yes to Cotton Comforting Facial Moisturizer. Now the next thing I do is curl my eyelashes and do my mascara before I even put on my foundation. I'm just using this curler from Sephora, and then for my top lashes I use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and for my bottom lashes I use the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. And then after I put on my mascara, I always put on white eyeliner on my bottom waterline, and this is the NARS Long Wear eyeliner in white. Since I just finished my eyes, I'm now going to move on to my face, and the first thing I do is I prime my face, and this is the Too Faced Hangover RX Face Primer. For foundation, I use the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation in the shade Light 46, also known as Cool. And to apply my foundation, I use the Sephora Pro Buffing brush. And now I use my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte in the shade Fair and just put it under my eyes and on all like little other imperfections that you can kind of still see through my foundation. For brows, I use the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the shade Soft Brown, and I use the lighter brown shade, as you can probably tell. Usually I do this before my concealer, but I kind of forgot that I usually do it before my concealer, so that's why I'm doing it after my concealer, but normally just know that I do it before my concealer. To set my face, I use the It Cosmetics by Pores Pressed Powder. So it depends on the day usually if I'm like feeling it or not, but today I was, so I'm gonna put just a shade of eyeshadow just on my eyelid, just nothing else, nothing more. I'm using the Blush Nudes palette from Maybelline, and I'm gonna mix these two colors right here. And I'm going to use the Morphe M167 brush to do that. Stopped recording on me. Now I have all of that done, and now I go on to bronzing up my face, giving some life back to this. And I just looked over the footage and I saw like it looks like I'm really pale. It's just the lighting in here is LED and it's like making everything look kind of washed out, so I'll show you in better lighting what my face looks like. I use Hoola Benefit bronzer. For blush, I use the NARS blush in Desire. It's a really pretty pink shade, and then I have to blend everything out with my powder brush just to kind of like make stuff not as bold, I guess. For bronzer, I used the Sephora airbrush. For blush, I use the Mary Kay Signature Cheek Brush. Because powder has now fallen into my eyebrows, so I just kind of go back over in with my brush. And now I use highlighter. I use the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter, the shade Kitten. First started by using the Real Techniques Expert Face brush. This little traveling brush that's supposed to be for like crease for traveling, but I now just use it for highlighter. So normally to finish on my look I use setting spray, but I ran out of it yesterday and I haven't gotten a new one, so I'm kind of freaking out, but I will be getting a setting spray after I come back from the bake. For lipstick today I'm using the Tarte Salt Life from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. So this is the finished look. The only thing I need to do is set my face with a setting spray, which I do not have on me right now. Really simple, really natural, and it looks good, and this is basically what I do for work. If you want to see looks like this, or just me in general, or want to see outfits that I wear or things that I do over the summer, make sure to follow all of my social medias. They are right here and linked down below as well. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you would do so. It would make my heart super happy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!